Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the July Boxycharm base box. And I have two of them here. So I will show you guys this one first. If you guys are new to my channel, I'm just going to give you a bit of a rundown. So I'm going to show you what I got in each box, and then I'm going to use some of the products. Not all of them, just depending on whether I think it's worth it to use it on camera or not, whether you can even tell a difference. I'm going to show you everything that's in this box, and then I'll show you everything that's in the other box, and then we'll use the products. Yeah. The first product here is the Generation Skin Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. Oop. Marine algae is a straight from the sea skincare saver, dense with vitamins, minerals, proteins, and essential fatty acids. When applied to delicate skin around the eyes, it helps firm, soothe, plump, brighten like nothing else. I didn't realize it was coming to an end there. I was like, end. Used for dewier, fresher looking peepers. So this is $49. I wonder how many, oh shit. This is really cool. Okay, so trying to figure out how to show you guys this. Okay, so this is, oh my gosh, this whole container is filled with eye patches, and it has like the jelly there. Oh shit. So there's just a bunch of single eye patches in here, all like encased in the jelly, which is actually kind of a smart way to do it. Those single packs are just really annoying, and I don't know, I feel like you would be able to reuse them better this way if you want to be a cheap bitch like me. And they do have this little guide that you can grab them with, so you're not touching that stuff, which I already touched to show you guys, so it's contaminated. We have the Pharmacy Whipped Greens Oil-Free Foaming Facial Cleanser. And I've actually shown you guys this before. This is an oil-free cleanser that draws out dirt, oil, and impurities caused by pollution. This soap-free pH balance formula is infused with purifying moringa, papaya, and green clay to help clean pores and surface residue, while sodium PCA helps replenish skin hydration. And this is $28. Like I said, guys, I have used this. This is a really, really good cleanser and it has so many benefits. Pharmacy is just a really good brand in general. I'm not sure if I got this from another Boxycharm or if I got this from Pharmacy itself, because I have worked with them in the past, but that is a really good cleanser. Next up is the Dermalect Cosmeceuticals Outcrease Retinol Trifecta Serum. I feel like, do I have this? Is this the one that smells like French toast? Okay, no, it's not what I'm thinking. Oh, okay, the one I'm thinking of is the Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. This stuff smells just like cinnamon French toast. Oh, it's so good. This serum successfully targets the look of fine lines, wrinkles, thick skin, and sun damage, which is a good thing because I'm sunburned. The Anhydrosis formula. It features 3 tremendously effective forms of retinol actives in one concentrated microencapsulated delivery system. And this guy is $39. Next up, we have the M2U NYC Makeup Blending Sponge Set. These are really cute. And you can see from the side, they're different shapes. So they're 4 super soft, latex-free 3D makeup blending sponges in a variety of shapes to help you achieve the exact look you've been dreaming of. No need to worry about splashes, foundation lines, or creasing. And this is a pack of 20, which that's a really good price for these. And last but not least, in this box, we have a waterproof micro brow pencil. So this is the $1 Billion Brows on Point micro pencil, and this is in the shade Taupe. So it's one of those super fine points so that you can get really precise lines in there. And I feel like Taupe, it's actually probably be a shade that I would be interested in. I do darker brows typically, but I feel like maybe for the summer I should go a little bit later. All right, next up for the second box. Okay, so it looks like we have 3 new products in this one, which is good. I love that Boxycharm always sends me 2 boxes so that I can give you guys more of a feel for what you might get in your box. since this is 2 different versions. So the new products in here are, ooh, okay, so this one I have a setting powder, and this is by Beauty Bakery. This is the Beauty Bakery Flower Setting Powder. It's in this cute bag. I heard a lot of really good things about this product, or this brand just in general. I remember there was a huge controversy of Huda Beauty ripping off her products. This is what the little container looks like. Just like a little standard setting powder tube thing. So this is a finely milled oat translucent setting powder that allows you to set your concealer and foundation in place for all day wear. Its colorless formula puts the oily face battle to rest. It will noticeably blur your pores, soften your complexion, and leave you with a beautiful matte finish. I feel like I'm really gonna like this one. I don't think I've heard of like a blurring setting powder, so that's really interesting. And this guy is $24, which I don't think is bad for a setting powder. Next up, we have the Basic Beauty Summer Lip Oil. And this is in the shade Summer. Ooh. So it looks almost like a translucent violet, if that makes sense. And it's just a little doe foot applicator. Okay, so this is a hydrating lip oil that nourishes your lips from the inside out using coconut oil for effortless shine and instantly reduced appearance of lip lines. And this is $18, which I think is a little pricey for a lip oil, but this looks like it's gonna last you a long time. And my experience with lip oils, you only need a little tiny bit of it. I'm gonna see if this has a scent. Ooh, you can really smell that coconut oil. It's tropical. Next up, we have the Outree 8-in-1 CBD Leave-In Conditioner. So this just looks like a spray. So this is $30, and it's a leave-in conditioner that packs 8 powerful benefits in one. It enhances body manageability, detangles hair, fights frizz, protects hair from environmental damage, balances moisture, and adds nutrients to refresh hair and add shine. I'm not a big like hair products person, so let me know if this is something that you guys would use on your hair. You probably should be using hair products with having colored hair, because colored hair is damaging, obviously. And you really should be using an oil. I used to use an oil on my hair. I don't know why I stopped. So I definitely want to try out these eye patches. I'm just gonna scoop one out of here with this little guy. Ooh. Ah. Oh my god, this is harder. I thought it was gonna be, I'm like breaking it. I've never used one that was so pointy at the tip here, which I guess it's a good thing if you use it like that and get really in there. But they are very delicate, as you guys saw, I just ripped it. Oh, and I ripped the end piece here too, oops. These feel like they might be a pain staying on your skin, like staying put, but I really liked the benefits that they were saying these give. Gosh, thought this would be easier the second time. So again, guys, this is marine algae that's straight from the sea. It's dense with vitamins, minerals, proteins, and essential fatty acids. Ooh, see, they're already sliding down. That kind of sucks. But they're supposed to help soothe, firm, and plump, and also brighten, right? Yeah, brighten. I wish that there was some kind of device that like kept these up. Like almost like a tape that worked on these. I don't know how they would make that work though. Okay, so I leave these on for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna do 15 minutes and I'll be back. All right, guys, I'm taking these off. I like how they dried down a bit. And I do like that they scoop around your eye there. It's definitely unique. And every time I put eye patches on, I'm like, well, why am I not getting this inner part here? So I really like that about them. And they just say to massage in the excess. My eyes definitely feel more soothed. They feel lively. And I feel like they even depuffed a little bit. I mean, this eye especially. This face wash, I'm not really gonna use on camera. I feel like I've used this on camera before for you guys for some reason. I don't know. Let me know if this was in a Boxycharm in the past or if this is just a product that I got before. But this is really good for like the 100th time. Next up, I'm gonna be using that retinol. So I'll show you guys what it looks like. So it's just a dropper here. So again, this targets the look of fine lines, wrinkles, thick skin, and sun damage. I'll have to try this guy out for a little bit and let you guys know what I think, because I have a retinol cream that I use and I'm not sure if a serum would be better. So I wonder if it packs like other benefits in it besides just retinol, since it's a serum. And with anti-aging skincare, I always do my chest as well, which I'm not really gonna do that on camera, but just letting you guys know. And you also want to get your hands, just in case you guys don't do that. Your hands, actually, I would say these probably age faster than your neck does. It feels really moisturizing. Like you can even see like a glow to my hands and my face. Like it just feels really nice. And it doesn't feel greasy. I guess it kind of feels greasy. Like it doesn't seem to be absorbing. It's just kind of sitting there, but maybe over time it'll absorb. So I would put this on maybe like 20 minutes before you're gonna go to bed. That way it has time to absorb so you're not just like wiping it off on your pillowcase. I wanted to swatch this taupe pencil for you guys, just in case you're interested in it. These microfine brow pencils are always really hard to swatch because I feel like they have like a really hard outside coating. Or maybe it's just because these are like the, they try to make it seem more like microblading, so they're a little bit stiffer of like a brush to give you those really like in-depth lines. I really need to do a tutorial using this. I'm really upset that I can't do it tonight. This box came in late. I don't know if you guys realize this video is going up a little later than normal. I normally get it by the 7th, like just in time to post it for you guys, so that it's a little bit earlier. Right now it's the 8th, so I don't know if I'm gonna get this video up tonight or tomorrow, but right now it's like 8 o'clock at night, so I don't really have time to do like my full-on makeup. This is after I've already had like a full day of doing like another makeup transformation, so I don't really want to do my full makeup just to literally hop in the shower and take it off. So I couldn't use the makeup products the way that I normally like to for these videos so that you guys can fully see how they work, but at least you got kind of an idea with the skincare. At least 2 of the products. Let me know what you guys think of the July base box in the comments down below. I'm really interested to hear what your thoughts are. And if you already got your box, what did you guys get? Make sure to give this video a like if you liked it. That really helps me out. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. I love you guys so much, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.